Hey guys, today I'm going to be planning the week of May 14th through the 20th. And today I'm going to be using, if I can find it, where did it go? I'm going to be using this kit from Seaside Stickers. It's Under the Sea, and it is this gorgeous hollow foiled sea inspired kit. And I don't know if this is, I think this is the mini kit, I think. But yeah, so I'm going to be using that, and I'm also going to take and use some other stickers. I have a bunch pulled, so I'll just let you know if I use it. And then I also pulled some washi tape here. These are all from Michael's, and these are just, this one's a Jane Davenport one. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this because it's kind of dark. I might use this in my other one, but yeah, this is just a mermaid one from her. And then I have just some other mermaid ones from like Recollections, I believe, there. And then I have this like turquoisey glitter tape. So I don't know if I'm going to be using that, but if so, I have it. So let me just go ahead and get started. I'm going to lay down the what is it called? The date covers. I cannot think today. I'm gonna lay down the date covers and give it to you. Okay, as you can tell, I did line them up a little bit further up, just that way I'd have more space. That I think I'm gonna go with a more yeah, I think I'm gonna go with a little bit more of a traditional approach. Okay, so there, I have all my headers laid out. I'm going to put in some checklists. I think I'm going to cut down my checklist. Okay, so I couldn't find my little scissors, so I had to grab my big honkin' ones. And I think I'm just going to cut these down to 3. Okay, so I've got that laid down. I did notice that it's a little bit crooked, so I'm probably going to take and fix that later on with some of this deco here, just to kind of, I don't know, hide the fact that it's a little bit off. But this paper is very hard to get stickers off of, and I don't have any undo, so we are just going to have to work with it. So I think I'm going to take and just lay down the boxes at the bottom this week. And then all my leftovers I'm going to be using in my other planner. So that's going to go in the other one. I think I'm going to take and okay, so I finished laying down the washi tape. I ended up using both the green, and then I have some of this purple that actually has like hollow foil in it, and I think I got this from Target in the dollar spot, so I had a little bit of that, and I mean, it's not perfect, but it will do. So now to take, and I have date dots that I have to put in there later. Okay, so Monday is payday. Yes, there is a payday sticker in here. Monday is payday. I also have to go grocery shopping. I'm sorry if you could hear my girls in the background, they're being obnoxious. I have some Happy Meal coming in. I think I'm actually going to take and I think I'm going to put it on some washi. Got some Happy Meal coming on the 14th, and I know I'm going to be running around dealing with grocery shopping and whatnot. Okay, the 15th, I have to pay some bills. Oh, and also, I forgot to mark down, it's the season finale of Lucifer on Monday. And then Tuesday, I have some bills due. I need to work on the laundry. It's a cleaning day. And laundry day. Wednesday, dishes. Oh, Tuesday I also need to order some stickers because it's going to be $2 Tuesday. That's pretty much it for Wednesday. Thursday, I need to remember to take out the trash. Siren is on, I believe. I'm gonna use this but first coffee because Thursdays, I don't know why, Thursdays are like my worst day of the week. And then Friday, I have a doctor's appointment with the girls in the morning. It's actually a dentist appointment, but I'm just gonna use a doctor appointment sticker. And that's the 18th. Yeah, dentist appointment. And then I want to mark down, I need to film. Cute planner time sticker. That's pretty much it for Friday. Saturday is the neighbor's daughter's birthday. So I'll mark that down. And then the 20th, it's just gonna be a lazy day for me. And some much needed me time. think I'm supposed to be getting some more. This is gonna put me. Yeah, that's better. I think I'm supposed to get some more Happy Mail on Wednesday, but I'm not entirely sure yet because it hasn't updated on the tracker. So I'm just gonna leave that blank. But that is pretty much it for my week. It's payday week, so it's a little bit more hectic as far as like I have to do all my shopping and stuff on Monday. Get ready for a birthday party on Saturday. And I got some doctor's appointment or dentist appointments on Friday, but other than that, that is it. But yeah, that is it for next week's spread. It's pretty simple. I love my B6 just because I can keep it super simple and not really have to write a whole ton in here and still make it look pretty. Oh, I was gonna take and use that deco real quick. Okay. There we go. Now I'm officially done. I do have to find the stickers to for the date covers or whatever, date dots. But yeah, that is what this week looks like. Again, this is from Seaside Stickers. I will leave a link to her shop below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.